Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and as you can see, I've applied the grid lines. It is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. In order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves in the right upper corner, and we even do not have to scroll down to the very bottom because we've got the reset settings here. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to worry about the mode you're currently in, so the video or the photo mode, because it is in the common section which appears in both options. So let's tap on reset settings and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera almost. Here we've got basically the very first evidence, because this is the thing which will be displayed whenever we will open the camera for the very first time after setting up the device. So this is the first evidence, and the second one, that we do not have the grid lines. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.